Hello, this is Wayne Lee with United Yacht Sales. I'm going to share with you videos on a listing that we're putting on the market. Behind me is a 2015 Sea Ray L590 Fly. This boat is being offered for sale for the second time. The current owners purchased this boat from Sea Ray. The vessel is located in Southwest Florida. It's powered with Cummins diesels. She has triple pods. All the pods have been completely overhauled. This should allow the next owners of this boat to have trouble-free boating and issues with those pods other than just general maintenance. So the pod's been overhauled. As of today's date, January the 8th, these Cummins have 1,500 hours on them. This boat is offered for sale with United Yacht Sales. It's a nice boat. Whoever buys this boat is going to have a tremendous amount of fun on it. I hope you enjoy watching these videos. My contact information is around here. If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and you can call me, text me anytime at 239-707-9422. Thank you very much, and I appreciate the interest in this lovely boat. Thank you.